Ayyo. Say Gilbert something. If you play a song, then they claim the copyright. Okay, say something.
What's up, Dai?
No, not for me. To everybody.
Viewers, hi everybody. Going to barber, cut our hair.
All just to say, all things are you can see. So, पछि चाहिँ कस्तो देखिन्छन्. Both are handsome guys, handsome and hunk. And we're gonna be a more hunk later soon. So हामी यहाँ चाहिँ हिँडिसक्यौँ अनि वेदर देख्न सक्नुहुन्छ.
Yeah, I know the place.
You know the place? So Elizabeth Square, yes? Okay. यहाँ आइसक्यौँ हैन. पहिलाको ब्लग चाहिँ त्यहाँ बनाएको थिएँ. Did you see the vlog that I captured this side, Heroes Square? You see?
Not yet.
Not yet? Okay. So यहाँको भ्यू देख्न सक्नुहुन्छ. You can see a beautiful view in front of us. Oh, okay. अहिले चाहिँ मेरो कपाल यस्तो छ. तर later. So भिडियो चाहिँ सुरुदेखि अन्तिमसम्म हेर्नु होला. बीचमा मैले के कुराहरू गरिराखेको हुन्छु हैन. के कुराहरू भनिराखेको हुन्छु. यो ब्याकग्राउन्ड म्युजिक यो फेरि कपिराइट हाल्न सक्छ होला सायद. जस्ट लिभ इट फरगेट दिस हैन. अनि त्यही हो साथीहरू, के कस्तो छ भिडियोमा चाहिँ कमी कमजोरीहरू भनिदिनुस्. मैले चाहिँ यतिकै क्याजुअली तरिकाले बनाइरहेको हुन्छु. कोही भ्लगहरू चाहिँ प्रपर तरिकाले अब एउटा डिप रिसर्च गरेर बनाएको हुन्छु. जस्ट लाइक यही ठाउँमा के दिस हिरोज स्क्वायर. लास्ट टाइम आई ह्याड मेड ब्लग होल ब्लग इन दिस प्लेस एन्ड यु क्यान सी fully detailed vlog, even not a whole detail but just like as usual सबैलाई थाहा हुने र अनि त्यसपछि चाहिँ यहाँ जे थियो नि त त्यो अनुसारको चाहिँ मैले डिटेलहरू क्याप्चर गरेर बनाएको थिएँ. हेर्नुभएको छैन भने गो एन्ड चेक इन युट्युब, यु क्यान सी देयर हैन. यहाँ भ्यू देख्न सक्नुहुन्छ. यहाँ चाहिँ ब्याङ्कहरू छन् हैन. अनि यो चाहिँ डाउन टाउन भन्छ हैन. इट्स अलरेडी यु हेard about this. So you bring a money, yes?
Yeah, man.
How much you bring?
Too much.
Too much.
1 lakh.
Shit, 1 lakh. Convert it into Nepali, guys. How much total? Okay, so bro, yatra fair begin. Yes. You understand Nepali, Gilbert? Somewhat.
Mero naam
Gilbert
ho.
It's a fish, yeah? A stingray. But at the beginning, I tell to everybody it's like a plant something which you can get inside a sea. Construction ko kaam huँदैछ maybe. Should be. So we are using the another way. Clever Gilbert. Ninja technique, yes?
Yeah, man.
Emergency shelter चाहिँ यतातिर छ है. तपाईहरु चाहिँ इमर्जेन्सी पर्यो भने जान सक्नुहुन्छ. You can go. अब चाहिँ लगभग तपाईहरुले चाहिँ चाहिने ठाउँ हो. So wait it. Yeah?
The barber's leave.
Okay. The way starts from here. So मेरो भिडियोबाट चाहिँ तपाईहरुले हेर्नुस् and then तपाईहरु आउन सक्नुहुन्छ. You can come to cut your hair. So हामी चाहिँ आइसक्यौँ साथीहरु. You can see beautiful view around here. यहाँ चाहिँ जे पिस आउट ठाउँ रहेछ. यहाँ पर चाहिँ कुखुराले चल्ला पारेको देख्न सक्नुहुन्छ. अनि so we are moving ahead. So brother, can you tell some Nepali viewers and other people also watch? So if you tell about your location and the place, and then maybe they will also come.
Yeah, everyone is come to this place.
Location exactly.
This is Maple Road, 47, Georgetown.
They get a final result what they want, like Nepali style haircuts, love and something else. Yeah. We have our setup. So Gilbert is going to sit here and the whole process is going to be start. You wanted to cut like this?
Yeah, like this. So, and also please, after cut, and just leave this on.
Circling this heart you set alight. Open up, don't you know who you are? Electric, your eyes are filled with stars.
And now, like a model. Yeah, Gilbert?
How come?
That's rough. Joke of the part. I want to ask you one thing. I've never seen some Philippines like in a dark shade skin. Everybody white or looks about देखिसक्नु भयो एकचोटिमा ट्याक्क सबै सकिएपछि देखाउँछु. And then yeah, sometimes I also think to cut. Any tips and ideas?
What is the big art first time? It sounds first cut.
Shape, first shape or
Yeah,
the best?
Shape. She want other like from shading cut.
Yes. So म तपाईहरुलाई चाहिँ यताको भ्यू देखाउँछु. It's a shell of coconut.
Yeah, it's a coconut.
Oh, too much we have. You can see, guys. Lu halu ka hunदो रहेछ त? Too light. Yes. Okay. So यहाँ हेरी चराहरु पनि नजिक नजिकमा आउँछ है. एकदम नजिक नजिक डराउन नदिएर स्केयर. Anyway, you can see in नजिक नजिक ग्रीनहरु देख्न सक्नुहुन्छ हैन? अनि बस्न चाहिँ पिस आउट रहेछ. Gilbert, do you like the place? Cool. But sometimes I think like the aircraft make a huge noise, yes? It's directly in front of the airport.
This is 40 there, yeah.
Yeah. Suddenly in mid of the night, they make a noise. And everybody wake up. That's alarm every day. Maybe in a morning flight also it happens, some people will. So, okay. Adda काम चाहिँ भइसक्यो. Half of the process finished already, so we have a little work. Yes? How you feel? Good? Okay. So now we can see a good shape and he's getting handsome.
Different now.
Yeah. How you feel, Gilbert?
Good, fantastic,
Yeah.
amazing.
Okay. Well, call Khalid, it's my turn. Alright guys, so देख्न सक्नुहुन्छ, you can see यो चाहिँ mid part of the haircut है. So अझै finish चाहिँ भएको छैन एकछिन पछि. Still take time around 20 minutes, yes? And then you will see the final touch. And my friend already left because he have some work, so अब चाहिँ हाम्रो मसाज सुरु भइसक्यो. Feel like I'm in heaven. Alright, so finally भइयो हाम्रो पुरा कपाल सपाल काट्ने कार्यक्रम चाहिँ है.
So nice cut for you, huh?
Okay. So now I'm looking handsome.
Yeah, of
Good.
course. See, looking good and another new girlfriend.
So साथीहरु देख्न सक्नुहुन्छ फाइनल सबै कुराहरु. And then
See?
मेरो
He's the
He's a main
Barber.
person, barber. What's your name?
I'm Dilip.
Dilip.
Yeah.
So, if you like to cut, then you can come. I already told you guys, हैन? So, मेरो साथी चाहिँ मलाई छोडेर गइसक्यो. Gilbert already left, so I have to go alone. अब चाहिँ म उता गएर चाहिँ अनि फेरि केही गर्नु छ. त्यस्तै नै हो. भिडियो मनपर्यो लाइक गर्नुस्, च्यानल सब्स्क्राइब See you in the next video. Till then, be safe. Bye bye.
Okay.